How to remove Safari from iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Take it simple. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove Safari from iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy. So let's jump right in. Now I have Safari here on my iPhone. If I tap and hold on Safari, I can tap remove app. But unlike other options where it says delete the app, it only gives me the option to remove from the home screen. So I remove from the home screen. It will still show over here in the App Store or in the app library. However, there is the way to fully remove Safari from iPhone. To do that, we will head into our settings here. And then you can see towards the bottom here, there is screen time. We'll tap on screen time. If screen time isn't enabled, turn on screen time. And you set a password if you want. And then we'll tap on content and privacy restriction towards the bottom here, and we'll want to toggle on content and privacy restriction. So I'm gonna enter in that password. Once you're there, you can see under iTunes and App Store purchase is allowed apps. So we are gonna tap on that, and you can see the second option is Safari. Now we can toggle that off, and what this does is it removes Safari from your iPhone. So let's get out from here, and you can see I used to have Safari here, but now it is no longer here. If I swap here in app library, here also you can see Safari. So it is completely removed. That's a wrap for today. I hope you understand. If you guys did this, hit the subscribe to our channel. Take it simple.